here's my sketch of the finished design for the kitty car wash. So here's all the supplies you need. I used all 3/4 inch PVC pipe and connections. A tool like this is really good for cutting your PVC pipe. They're about $10. Very good though. 6 4-foot sections of PVC pipe. And 10 2-foot sections. You need 3 of these kind of corner pieces like this. 5 T-pieces. You need 3 of these corner pieces. 1 of these cross connection pipes. I couldn't find it at Home Depot, but I found it at Lowe's. And then you need this other end so you can screw it onto your hose, and then this connects to your pipe. See right here. This just connects on, and then it just plugs in right there. I did a 1-foot connection from this bottom corner, and then this is the optional piece. And then this connects to here, but that's just it's just whatever you have. Connect everything so it looks like this. And over here, it's just PVC pipe, and we drilled holes in it all over the place. Now you're ready to hook it up to the hose, turn on the water, and wait for it to fill up. Okay, Jason, what's this? Is this a kitty? It's a car wash for kids?
We usually call it raining.
Or a raining machine?
But some of the water is coming out of that.
Yeah?
Because that, look at the top. Look at the top.
Wow. Is this a kitty car wash?
This one does not have any type of this like the kitty car wash. Mom, can I day in here?
Yeah, if you want to.
I can day in here, the water can day on. Looks like that down in here.
It's raining.